It's like
DC1 is...
It's everything you really need to know about color and composition. Kind of crammed into one class.
How to approach the color in a painting.
It's really helpful to have like a system just to like set up a palette.
I keep going back to the limited palette.
I enrolled in DC1 just to get a better sense of how to compose frames and pay more attention and be more aware of lighting choices and color choices.
It sort of breaks it down into all the different elements that make up a good painting, which is
Contrast and value.
good value structure,
Light and dark shapes.
composition.
Oh, there are rules about it. That's cool. That's convenient. I think that's the most important thing.
Being able to do things a little bit faster by using those hacks and like just like, oh, now I have this tool on my toolbox. I feel significantly less like a fraud with color now. And they have been telling like a lot of my friends about it. I'm like, guys, my teacher showed me this thing. It's really great. Here, you got it. You gotta just look at my screen. The setting up the palette and like the gamuts, and they're like, what?
It's like a springboard to me to take all the things that we learned and then bring it into future projects.
Seeing the way concept artists work, and then specifically also looking at Brainstorm videos that I've seen online, I believe they were actually probably yours. I've learned kind of through this class how to apply those skills from painting into kind of the motion picture medium.
I just wish it was longer. Yeah. That's it.